Yeah, I got hit niggas sick that I'm still here. I'm still on that hill.
Good YouTube, it's srt.javanti. I'm back with another video. Today I'm gonna be doing a POV driving with the drag pack on my car. As you guys see in the last video, I had installed Mickey Thompson and the VFC B locks on my car, and I also had installed the TPM sensor. So if you guys buy the factory OEM TPM sensor from Dodge, most likely you're gonna have to drive the car probably like 15-20 minutes and then register the car. I didn't even have to pay somebody $100 some to go program it. It just recognized to the car and it set it to itself. The way I tested it out is after I drove 15-20 minutes, I aired the car all the way down to 20 PSI. That's what I have it at right now, and it pops up a notification. But that's what I run on my car driving on the regular street. It's 20 PSI in the tires, and it hooks up good. But as you guys are gonna see in this video, so let's get into it. Just straight hookup. Straight hookup. It's ridiculous how much a tire can make a big difference. Because even when this car was stock with the Pirellis on it, it would spin. It would still spin, but it would catch itself and then catch traction and then go. But now it's like you don't gotta even worry about it. Now you got the feeling like anybody on the street can't fuck with you. Especially when you got a 700, 800 horsepower car. Most of the people on the road can't even touch this. So now that you got something that can hook up and just go, definitely ain't nobody gonna be able to fuck with you on the streets. It was definitely a pain with the amount of power I'm doing right now, that the shit just spins the fuck out the tires and almost kicks out your tail. Now you ain't even gotta worry about that no more. Sucks that all these cars in the way. Hopefully this car get out the way for that little straight line. Yep, thank you. Right before the straight line. Probably do like a 40 roll, drop it down a couple of years, and then see if this joint will spin. Most likely it's not. And I'm just gonna put my foot all the way down on the gas. Get off this bump. And this joint just goes. No spinning, no nothing. This joint just leaves. Like, this joint just goes. I can't wait to do all the supporter mods I need to do to get this joint on the drag strip and see what this joint can really do on the drag strip. See what this joint can really do on the drag strip. Might even try to invest and just get a draggy and see what I can do.
But if you want something that's fun, feel like you're gonna get in trouble with, I say upper pulley, injectors, and there you go, and tune it. You're not doing too much, nothing too crazy. It's like a nice in-between, good, not terrifying, but as you know, when people do stuff to their car, after a while you get used to it, and then you're like, I want more power. That's why I'm just like 1,000 horsepower, 1,000 to the wheel. I'm happy with it. Ain't much I really need. Because everybody that says like anything over 1,000 is like undrivable. At that point, it's a race car. So we'll see. We'll see if I go any more than that. But at that point, I'm probably gonna have to build the engine. But I ain't trying to go too crazy. As you know, I want to try to get another car. I want to try to get another car that I can work on. Probably not gonna be as crazy as this car is gonna be. I'm gonna try not to overdo the next car. As you guys know, I've always been talking in my videos about getting either a Mark 5 Supra or maybe a J82. But if I get a J82, it's most likely gonna have to be X-Drive because I'm gonna have to daily it. But we'll see what I get next, or if anything else good comes out, I'll see. But gotta wait until I pay this off. It's almost done. So we did a couple pulls in the car with the drag pack. Definitely these tires stick. I got them at 20 PSI. So definitely they hook now at low miles per hour, so I don't have no issue spinning. So definitely was an improvement compared to the stock tires. I don't know, maybe I might change the front. Maybe I might do some Michelin's, or I just might go Niddles, or just go Toyo or AAARs on the front. I don't know yet. Maybe later on in the future, I'll decide which I want to do. But definitely recommend getting this if you're gonna go for big power. Definitely get a B-Lock and some Mickey Thompson ET Street R's or S, but I'd rather go with them R's because they might hook up better than the S because it's more for like the street. But you know, later down the road, I might take it on the drag strip. But definitely a must once you upgrade power on this car. But that's the end of the video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.